Hello there and welcome to bnettv.com. I'm Michelle Sklar. We're down here at the CTIA Wireless 2008 show in Las Vegas. I'm joined by Nick Bolton of Mobile Data Now. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us today.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Is this your first time at the show?
Yes, it is. Yes. I came to one in San Francisco last year.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah. And so how are you enjoying the show so far?
Oh, it's great. Yeah, no, it's really good. It's huge, though.
Yes,
yeah.
yes, it is fantastic.
I got tired walking around everywhere.
Yeah. Tell me about it. Okay, well, let's get a brief overview of who you guys are and what you do.
Okay, Mobile Data Now, it's software that you install on your server, and it allows you to mobilize your back-end database in your company, and then use messaging to access any information in the database.
Okay,
and,
so give us some real-world example of how that actually works.
Okay, let's say, for example, well, it'll work with email, instant messaging, or SMS. So there could be like a sign on a real estate agent's sign saying, text house number 45 to this number, and it'll send information back about that house. So it's got, public examples like that, movie info, you can get via messaging, or, a business could get give their staff access to sales data right. and stuff like that. So.
I like the real estate example.
Yeah.
So have you got companies that are taking advantage of that type of technology? Because I think that's definitely, I can see that having a resonance, if you will. Yeah,
it's we've got a lot of people testing it. We're a startup, so we've recently launched, and so we've got lots of people using it, just testing it out at the moment. So yeah, hopefully that's going to accelerate in the near future.
And why did you choose to sort of focus on this area of the market?
Well, I think I've always looked at mobile applications. I mean, mobile devices are everywhere. We're using messaging. Messaging works on every device, right? I can use my BlackBerry, I can use any old phone. Mm-hmm. They've all got some sort of messaging, and it's easy to send a message. People don't have to learn anything new.
Absolutely.
Or you don't have to put any software on your phone, so it just works everywhere.
Where are you guys based out of?
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So it was a long flight over to Vegas.
Oh yeah, half world away. So.
Wonderful. And so how is your sort of marketing distribution happening? Like, where are you? Are you looking at just sort of focusing on the New Zealand market, or you got your sights set?
No, we're looking for resellers all around the world. Right. We had a lot of interest from Middle East, South America, and Asia, where SMS and messaging is huge, and in Europe as well. So we've come to the US and trying to get some interest over here as well.
Fantastic. So who have you been talking to at the show?
A lot of analysts and resellers, so it's been really good. I've had really positive feedback from what we're doing, because we just make it so easy. We can set something up in 20 minutes, just reduce the risk for a company who wants to deploy a mobile solution really quickly.
Awesome. So you are a startup company. You've come to the show here.
Yep.
Do you have any sort of new announcements coming in here, or are you just sort of making your debut, if you will?
Oh, no. We released our first version back in February, so we've had a new release yesterday, which has lots of improvements and usability improvements as well. So,
wonderful. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. We appreciate that. We've been here with Nick Bolton of Mobile Data Now, and we're here at the CTIA Wireless Show. And I'm Michelle Sklar with bnettv.com.